Hi, hello. Welcome to Kate Talks. Today we will be talking on the Agile methodologies over waterfall. So, what is the difference between Agile methodology and a waterfall model? Why the current technology is trending towards Agile? Agile is a methodological practice that promotes continuous iteration of development and testing throughout a software development lifecycle. And since they don't go phase by phase, unlike of waterfall model, like in waterfall model, we have different phases: the requirement, the planning, the design, where the development also start designing, and the testing team start with a test design, test execution, and involves in closure and maintenance of an application. So this goes in a serious phase where one phase we cannot skip. We have to go in sequential order. Whereas in Agile, that's not the case. We There is a continuous increment and enhancement happening over the software. The Agile software development emphasizes on four core values. Individual and the team interacts over the process and the tools. Working software over a comprehensive documentation. Whereas in Waterfall, we have different documentations: test strategy, test plan, master test, detailed test plan, test closure document, and we have a lot of documents. Whereas in Agile, we don't concentrate more on document, rather, we concentrate on working software. And third, customer collaboration over contract negotiation. So, frequent interaction with customer happens. 4. Responding to the change over the following a plan. So there would be a demo session at the each sprint wherein there would be a continuous feedbacks received from the customer. So the team would get the feedbacks from the customers, start working on it. So they listen to the continuous feedbacks from the customer and that taken forward. If you like this video, like, comment, share, subscribe to our channel.